Welcome everybody. Today I want to talk with you about two things. Stock market, my definition of stock market, and two, is it a good time to buy or is it a good time to sell? So let's quickly jump into it. What is it, a stock market? Imagine yourself one day, a beautiful weather, sun shining, not really too hot, not really too cold. You are in the park, not really windy. You are sitting in the bench. There's a lot of people walking around. Beautiful day. You just sit down and relax, and you feel like it is heaven. Great day, beautiful view. And then another day, it's raining, thunderstorming. You don't want to go out of the house. No one is walking. You just want to stay inside. You don't want to get wet. Terrible weather. You're just looking through the window and thinking, holy moly, why this person is walking? I don't want to be there. I feel bad for him. Terrible weather. That's the stock market. One day you have shiny days, another day you have terrible days. That is a definition of the stock market. Let's go quickly right now to the second question. Is it a good time to buy right now or is it a good time to sell right now? Now is July 4th. Market is around 40% up since March 23rd. Of course, it is not a good time to buy because market already recovers. So if you are buying, you are the guy on another side of the trade, which are paying higher prices for the stocks. You don't want to be the guy on another side who is losing. You want to be the guy who is buying on March 23rd and around. I read recently a comment. The guy said that he sold after June 26 because he heard on the news MSNBC that there is this another W-shaped downturn coming in. But right after he sold, stock went up. I feel so bad for him, for listening the people on TV. Stop listening those people. Stop listening those. They're not here. They're not there to make you rich. They are there to just do their own job. Do you think if they were so smart and if they made so much money off the stock market, they would be working there? No. They make their money off constantly talking, analyzing the market. But they don't know how to figure out the stock market. If they knew, they wouldn't be there. Think about this. They're just people working. They're not there making money off the stock market. Don't really watch so many videos on YouTube and read the comments. No, read the books. Read the books. 2 books. Intelligent Investor, book number 1, and book number 2, The Most Important Thing, by Howard Marks. Read those 2 books. Don't be every day watching TV, watching YouTube videos, reading the comments, because 99% of the people who are talking, who you are listening to, they don't know really much. I would say not they don't know, but they are recycling the information. So you might think, why am I talking about this? Why am I different? I'll tell you why I am different. Because I know how to control my emotions. What I mean by this, when the crisis came in March 23rd and so on, and everybody ran away from the stock market, I started buying. I started piling up. Why I did this? Because I knew that market eventually will recover, like right now, around 40%. So now it's not a good time to buy, because market will continue to go up. But if it goes 40%, then buy. That's simple. Just control your emotions. You don't have to know the numbers. You don't have to be super smart. I don't understand most of the financial instruments. I don't know what are the stock options, derivatives. I don't even do those things. And I'm so happy. Thanks God I'm not smart enough to understand those things. But I know one thing. I bought the stock of JP Morgan Chase in March, and now I'm around 30% up. I'm keeping it until 2035, until my retirement. And you should do the same thing. Buy when stock is down, when there is this rainy weather, you are looking through the window, there is just one guy walking out. Go outside. Do the shopping. When it's raining, when it's thunderstorming, when everyone is at home, buy at the dip. Good companies, reputable companies. Look at the portfolio of Warren Buffett. Those guys, look at those guys. There's only one guy like this in the world. Not many, not thousands of them on every single TV channel which you are watching, and every couple of years they are changing. No, don't listen to them. You're gonna lose your money. No, that's not a good way. Don't go this way. Look at this one guy. Look at his portfolio. I bought Bank of America because Warren Buffett has it. I bought Wells Fargo because Warren Buffett has it. And a couple more stocks I bought in March, April. And they are up around 30%, some of them 40%. Just don't be played out by the media. It breaks my heart. It's so simple. Control your emotions. Don't buy when everyone is buying. Buy when everyone is at the house. Rainy weather, storming. Just few guys outside. Buy then. And then when the weather is beautiful, shining, everybody is walking, and prices are pumped up, then you can sell. But me personally, I'm long way in the market. Like I said, it's 2020, 2035. I bought the stocks, many stocks I bought 10, 12 years ago, but now I bought a lot of stocks in March, April, May, and I'm keeping them. They're good, reputable companies. They will only go up. Don't look at this, what's happening on TV, what they say. Democrats are gonna win the House. Republicans are gonna win the House. There's gonna be a second wave of the virus. There's always something going to be. If you were living 100 years ago, it was the same situation. There was always some kind of disaster, some kind of war, some kind of virus. In 1918 was a Spanish flu. Between 50 and 100 million people died. And so what? World survived. Stock market survived. Recovered. People who were buying at the downturn, they made the biggest amount of money. People who were buying when the stock was inflated were the biggest losers. Where you want to be? On which side of the trade? You want to be on the side where you are gaining, or you want to be on another side being a loser? And it's simple. It just requires you to control the emotions. It's heartbreaking for me. I recently, like I said, read a couple comments, and the guys were explaining in details. I read this article, I read this. Don't read this article. These are bullshit. They tell you the facts, but they are bullshit. Read the books. Read the book. The most important thing by Howard Marks. I think this is number one because it doesn't have numbers. It tells you about psychology of the stock market, about controlling emotions. This is a key. This is the most important thing in the stock market, in investing. I'm sorry, in investing, not the stock market. Controlling your emotions, buying during the times when everybody run away. It's empty on the streets. Few guys, like I said, raining, thunderstorming, everybody's at the house looking what's happening. Tied up, they sold all the stocks. They own cash. They have a cash stacked up, and oh my God, end of the world is coming. It didn't come in March. Stock went down. It didn't come, the end of the world. Investors panic like crazy for 2 weeks. Market was down. Now 40%. Everyone is crying. Oh my God, I missed the downturn. Now they saying, oh, now I'm gonna buy when it goes down. Do you think that the stock market is so stupid to go down again just for those people? Because they miss it? Of course not. Of course it's not going down. If you are in the market long term, like I am, you will experience another downturn. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be a subprime mortgage crisis, it's gonna be a dot-com bubble, it's gonna be a virus. There is always going to be a reason. Now we are up, we'll be down. Then we are gonna be up again, we'll be down. It's plain simple. Up and down, up and down. And what you have to do is buy when it's down, when everybody runs away. Don't be a sucker on another side of the trade where you are buying the upper price, inflated price, because you read some article on TV, financial channel, or on YouTube. No. Don't constantly monitor the market. Stay on the side. Don't check every day your portfolio. Don't read everyday articles about the company which you picked. If it's a good company, it will thrive. It will go up eventually. Because with companies, it's like with human beings. We have a good days and a bad days. Good things happen and the bad things happen. But if you are a hard-working person, eventually you will make it. The same with the company. If you every day looking at the stock and checking the news, well, CEO had an affair with his secretary, or I don't know, they defrauded some money, or they did some inside trading, boom, you're selling. No, wrong. If it's a good, reputable company, has been around for a long time, like Wells Fargo, they will come back. They will come back after their mistakes. Because it's a good company in a market which is not disappearing anytime soon, they will come back. So just stay outside. Look, imagine yourself that you are above the clouds. Above the clouds there is always sunshine. There's always sun shining. Don't be the guy who is just being pushed around by all the news. And I know most of this news is true and accurate, but they're useless. But in the end of the day, 99% of this news is useless. Unless you are a day trader or, like I said, derivatives, stock options, all right, then this is higher level. Sorry, I don't understand this. I don't play this game. You know what you're doing, making good money, keep doing this. But if not, after a couple months, couple years, your account is not 500,000, a million, 2 million, then there's something wrong. You gotta go to the basics. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like this video, hit the thumb up and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great day.